Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly connect your Supliful store as well as your supplement products and so on to your Shopify and start fulfilling your orders. So in this video, I'll be covering how to properly make the connection or the integration between the two platforms, as well as how to properly import your products over from Supliful over to Shopify. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that both platforms are open and you're logged in as an administrator, like how I have here. So as you can see, this is the dashboard for Shopify, and this one is for Supliful. So it's actually quite a simple process to do. And once you guys are logged in, the first place that you need to head to is Supliful. And once you guys are here, to make the connection is actually quite simple. All you guys have to do is navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard for Supliful and click on Stores. So when you guys click on Stores, it'll redirect you to this page right here, pulling up all of the compatible platforms that you can connect to Supliful. So as of now, 2024, March, you can only connect Shopify as an e-commerce store for both platforms. So to make the connection, simply click on Shopify, like so. And it'll redirect you to the app page or the Shopify App Store for the plugin for Supliful. So it's this one right here. And then from here, you would want to click on install and basically let Shopify and Supliful work their magic to make the connection between your two stores. So we're going to wait for it to load, authorize the connection, click on install. And once that's done, once it's done connecting, as you can see here, it'll connect to the email that's tied to your Shopify store. You're going to click on it, connect store to X email, and you guys are done. So here it is. This is actually the domain name or the URL for my store. And now you can start importing your products over from Supliful over to Shopify. So you can add it as a product, carry over the relevant data like the description, the price, the quantity, the brand, and so on. And here we go. We're going to click on View Store. And I actually haven't configured my store as of yet because this is just a dummy store, but you guys get the gist. So whatever you guys have registered as a product under your Supliful account, so if you click on My Products, and assuming that you have registered vitamins like B complex or whatever, or vitamin C, on this page, brought from the catalog page, it'll also carry over to your Shopify store. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. Everything is automated and should be good to go. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And you guys would greatly support the channel by subscribing. So if you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.